Namaste, Hamisha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you gas solid suspensions in unit operation subject. First of all, a high velocity gas flow, including very fine solid particles, are often encountered in many diverse fields of engineering applications, such as solid rocket engines, pneumatic conveying system, powdered drug delivery devices, thermal spray coating systems, etc. Such gas solid suspension flows can be obtained in supersonic nozzles in which fine particles with several 10 micrometer in diameter are flowing suspended with the high velocity gas stream. The detailed flow physics in such two-phase flows are extremely complex and difficult to understand. The flow complexities mainly arise from particle mean stream interactions, particle flow turbulence interactions, interparticle collisions, particle wall interactions, particle shock wave interactions, etc. A considerable deal of work has been get to an insight into the gas solid two-phase flows and to specify the particle motion and its influence on the gas flow field. It has been comparatively well known that the suspension flow is governed by the Reynolds number as well as by the Stokes number. Many other parameters associated with the particle practically affect the two-phase flow characteristics. The flow of a gas-solid mixture can be categorized according to the significance of a particle collisions on the particle motion. A flow in which particle motion is controlled by interparticle collision is referred to as a dense flow. In this kind of flow, the particle collision cannot be neglected. A flow in which particle motion is controlled by the aerodynamic forces on the particle is a dilute flow. The researcher usually ignore the particle-particle collision when they study the dilute flow. In the dilute flow, the phase interaction will be the one of the main characteristics. Since there is no fluid pressure appearance in the dispersed particle phase, all the characteristics of a particle are shown by the fluid phase. The dispersed phase phenomena are related to the turbulent fluctuations in the gas phase. The turbulent diffusion phenomena have not yet been satisfactorily explained, and they found the velocity of the particle was influenced by the particle size, particle density, nozzle geometry, and operating conditions. And they used the formulation of particle velocity on the experiment to predict the velocity of the particle. Then CFD model to study the pipeline flow of fine particles at high concentration. However, very less people studied the micro-sized particle effect on supersonic two-phase flow, mainly because of the extreme difficulty in experimentally measuring motion of micron-sized particle and particle turbulent interaction. The cost of experiment also is very high. However, the numerical simulation can offer a convenient way to solve those problems, and it can also give the further details about the suspension internal flow. The present study is the mainly to in the flow behavior depends on the particle loading as well as its diameter. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. Thank you so much for watching this video.